Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna watch how to make, or if we can make, a cut in a wooden plank using multi-oscillating tool. So before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. So guys, on this plank I have made a mark and I'm gonna use this multi-oscillating tool to make a cut. Okay, so let's proceed. So in step number 1, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to put the blade along this line, okay, so that I have initial grip on it. Okay, so I'm just doing it like this. So the initial cut along the marking has been done, but yes, it's looking like this blade is inappropriate. So I'm gonna change the blade to suitable one and then we are gonna try again. Okay, so I'm now gonna use a stronger blade and let's see. Yes, I see it's doing much better now. When you go to shop, you get some stronger blades. I have these trial blades, that's why it's not working smoothly, because if you have strong blades they just cut in a way. But anyway, I'm gonna keep trying with this. So I finally managed to take it off. So yes, we can use this to multi-oscillating tool to cut wooden planks too, but based on at least the blade I have, I would say it's not a good choice. It's not, definitely not a good choice. You may not want to use this multi-oscillated tool, at least with the blade I have, for this kind of purpose. But yes, like if there are strong blades that can hold and such pressure and without impacting their own quality, then it can. But yes, if you have to make a cut, why would you go for this? There are automatic saws available, right? So those are better tools. But yes, with this it can be done. That's what I'm saying. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.